What if your AI agents lived inside apps you actually use, running your business right from your pocket? In today's video, I'll show you how to link OpenClaw to Telegram. By the end of this video, you will have a connection fully set up so you can text your AI agent directly from your phone. Let's get this connected so you can start delegating the busy work. First, open PowerShell and type OpenClaw on board, and then hit enter. Hit yes on the security warning, and select Quick Start to keep it moving. We're going to use Anthropic today. Select it, and then choose API key. Now paste your secret key and stick with the default Claude Sonnet 4.0 model. Next, select Telegram. Jump into your Telegram app and search for the verified app BotFather, and then send the command /new bot. Give your new assistant a display name and a unique username ending in bot. BotFather will then drop your HTTP API token. Copy that entire text, and then head back to PowerShell and paste the token. To get running instantly, skip the extra skill dependencies. Now let the gateway install, and then when ready, select Hatch in TUI. Your agent is now awake. Next, tell it how you want it to act. I'm going with polite, concise, and helpful, and then hit enter. Now for the magic. Go back to Telegram and then click on your new bot's link and hit start. You'll get an access not configured, so copy the pairing code, go back into PowerShell and type this command. OpenClaw pairing approved Telegram and the pairing code. Click on enter. Boom, we've now been approved. Now go back to Telegram and start typing. I'll start by saying hi. Look at that, it knows my name and it said that the Telegram has worked. Next, we'll ask it to draft a follow-up email sequence for a lead named David. It then goes ahead and asks us a number of questions, so we'll say we're focusing on AI agents, David engaged through a web form, he's ready to buy, and our goal is to make a booking. Now let it think for a second, and then you'll see it's produced a 4-email sequence. And just like that, your OpenClaw assistant is officially living inside your Telegram, ready to work for you while you're on the go. But this is just the beginning. If you want your AI to actually run your business by managing your CRM or sending emails, the next step is to start integrating with other platforms and to use NAN. NAN is the engine that connects OpenClaw to all your favorite apps securely. If you're ready to give your assistant those upgrades, you can start with my NAN beginner tutorial right here. I'm Chris. Thanks for building the bridge with me, and watch this next video of mine to see how to set up your first NAN automation. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.